Okay. We got 2011 Exquisite. This is box number 2. Go ahead and take a look at the teams and their owners. All right, let's go ahead and get right to it. This was our case. We already did box 1, so we'll go ahead and snag box number 2. We got box 3 right there, and we will get to that. Like I said, I don't know if you guys watched that football game last night, but I definitely did not bet on the Cowboys to win that. My pick was the Giants. Had to cover 4 points and the under, so that would have been real nice, but what are you going to do? Hopefully we'll do better this weekend. I'm super geared up for it. We're going to be doing breaks all Sunday. We got duels lined up for Saturday and Sunday, so hope you guys will be back this weekend. So, first card, Bernie Kosar. And this one is numbered 44 out of 75. Next, I like this guy. It's a nice hit. Brandon Wheaton. So that is a slick little hit there for the Browns. I know that much. That one is numbered 52 out of 99. So that's a slick little card there. And next, we have first auto. So rookie auto signatures for Jimmy Smith. Nice gold auto there. And it's numbered 60 out of 70. All right, and the next one we have Tommy McDonald. And that's an auto, number 8 out of 45. Nice. And this looks real sick. It looks like one of the shadow box ones. And this one is for Ronald Johnson. It's actually not the shadow box, but this is pretty slick looking. All right, so the black card, we got Ronald Johnson, 16 out of 75, auto, rookie signatures, and we got the jersey in there as well. So 16 out of 75, the black card for Ronald Johnson. And one more here, or 2 more here, sorry. We have a redemption. So Mark Ingram and AJ Green. So Exquisite Football rookie, Mark Ingram and AJ Green. So that'll be a nice hit. Like I said, we'll post all the final results of who these go to after the round, so I don't take up all of your time going back and forth to the computer. And Anthony D has been gracious enough to help out, so I really appreciate that, brother. And Johnny Baldwin, that's going to be a sick one right there for Chiefers. So John Baldwin. Oh, I got a few of his in my collection. We got the tag there as well. That's auto, and number 124 out of 135. So that's slick. Nice way to finish that one off. And so that's box 2. I'll go ahead and save it up real quick, and then we'll take a short break, and I will get number 3 all geared up and ready to go.